Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, well, today we are talking about the new pay model that Doordash has basically been beta testing. And I've gotten a few emails about it, and I didn't know if it was actually real or not, but I just watched a video by Pedro, and, well, we got some bad news. So, just want to show you guys my cat because she's cute, and it's a good positive way to start off the video. But she is thoroughly annoyed with me right now because she doesn't like when I talk and I'm holding on to her. So, what a furball. Anyway, so we got to talk about this whole $10 an hour pay model. So, first of all, if you guys don't know, check out Pedro's video. It's really probably more informational because I don't have the exact email. All the emails I got was just, hey, talk about the new $10 an hour pay model. I didn't get any nice informational email, so I'm going to link Pedro's video down below, so go check that out. So basically, this isn't new, actually. It's not COVID, I swear. This is not new, actually. Postmates did something exactly like this. So when you would accept an order on Postmates back in the day, you would get a $4 base pay, and then it would go up from there. So based on how far you had to drive and how long you waited at the restaurant, they would pay you what was very, very low rate. I want to say it was like $7 an hour or something like that, or like 5 cents. I don't even know. It was really bad though. So basically, what DoorDash is doing is now they're unveiling a $10 an hour pay model. So basically, what happens is they'll give you an order, and it'll say $10 an hour. It'll tell you to go to Chipotle, but it will not tell you where to go or where you're going to go. In fact, they don't even know yet. So they're basically just going to have you go there, which eliminates kind of all of the points of picking out which orders you want to do. And as an independent contractor, you want to be able to pick out your own orders and pick out jobs that you want to do and you don't want to do. Of course, that's what being an independent contractor is. We're not employees. So, basically what they'll do is they'll give you, like, for example, all the examples I saw was go to Chipotle, $10 an hour. Sometimes they can do double orders, too. Now, $10 an hour is not good. Even though you do get your 100% of tips, you don't know if the order is going to have tips or not. So, I think this is another step backwards, in my opinion, from getting better. So, again, I hate to be the Paul Revere to tell you guys, like, hey, probably like work on other sources of income because this is not sustainable, and it's going to get more and more unsustainable as basically more and more drivers come on the platform because there's no qualifications. We just talked about this the other day. There's basically no qualifications to become a DoorDash driver other than have a car and a clean background check. And apparently you don't even need to have a clean background check because we just did a video the other day on this. There was a gang's blood from the gang Bloods, delivering DoorDash and put his dick in some cop's Chipotle order. So obviously, I don't even know what the qualifications are, if there is any, to become a delivery driver. So basically, what my thoughts are on this is, like, I've been saying that it was coming for a long time. That hourly pay is it's eventually going to be here, and I hate to say it, but I was right this whole time. And unfortunately, it doesn't matter about if this is going to be better or worse for the drivers. It's going to be, does DoorDash profit more or less when they do orders like this? I hate to say it, but that's what it's going to be. It's basically going to be DoorDash determining at the end of the day, hey, do we make more money like this? And do we save money like this? Or do we make less money? And I think they're going to make more money because they're going to be paying people less money, It's like, yeah, sure, it makes it simpler for the drivers who are new. And a lot of people probably are coming from jobs that pay $10 an hour or something like that, and they just became delivery drivers. Got freaking fur flying all over the place. A lot of you guys love my cat, but she gets fur everywhere, and no matter how much I furminate her with the little furminator, if there's like this little brush that gets all the fur off. Anyways, back to just distracted. Anyway, so basically what's going to happen is DoorDash is going to figure out, oh, we do make more money like this. And a lot of people are coming from jobs that probably pay them $10 an hour or so. Now they're getting $10 an hour plus tip. The only problem is they don't realize they're spending gas money. They're spending money on their car insurance. And there's all these other upfront fees. And gas basically doubled in the last 2 months. Saw that one coming. Gas is basically doubled. So our costs are getting higher. They're giving us less money. Let me call you back, Dylan. Basically, yeah, so what I've been saying is, guys, you're an independent contractor. You can do multiple things while you're delivery driving. So, of course, I think the next video I'm going to make after this is going to be on other things you can do as a delivery driver other than just making the standard rate that you're making from DoorDash, because I think it is very, very important that you're at least having multiple sources of income. And I don't want to beat a dead horse because you guys hear me say it all the time. But with DoorDash releasing a $10 an hour pay model, and I'm sure it's going to be coming soon, like all that does is give us less options of which orders we want to take. It's going to become more and more popular. I can almost guarantee it. It's going to give us less options that we're going to take. So that means if I can't pick my options, I'm not doing it. Like, maybe I'll do it like a little bit, but I don't know. I'm pretty mad about it because for me, I'm spending a lot more money than the normal Dasher to drive around because I drive a Ford Explorer. For example, the car just cost me $750 to register the other day. The insurance is higher. It's about $180 a month or so because it's a pretty expensive car. So, like, maybe I'll just get like a beater car to dash around in or something. I don't know. But the $10 an hour base pay is pretty crappy to me, and I don't think it's going to be good. And again, like, you guys should watch Pedro's video because his is way more informational. He actually has an email someone sent him with all of the information about it. So definitely check out his channel. Definitely one of my favorite channels to watch. But again, just try to look for other sources of income because you do not want to be stuck with this as your only source of income when it gets really bad, because it's getting worse and worse. They just decreased the pay from $3 down to $2.25 for normal orders. And now they're basically doing $10 an hour, which is just a more confusing way of basically telling you you're going to make probably less money, unfortunately. And it doesn't tell you about like how far the deliveries are and all that stuff. So again, it's another scam by DoorDash, but we saw this coming. And hopefully, in my opinion, I'm starting to become like, if this actually unveils and then the other companies like Uber Eats and Grubhub stay doing what they're doing, I'm going to switch over to Uber Eats or Grubhub. Probably. I don't know. I probably should anyways. But anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it at all, please consider smashing the like button. I know you probably didn't enjoy it because it's actually bad news, but you can smash the like button for me anyways because I'm trying to help you guys out a little bit. Anyway, so the next video I'm going to make after this is probably going to be more informational and give you guys other ideas of what you can do as a delivery driver that aren't just delivering the customer's food or whatever they have you delivering. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you guys in the next one. And one last thing, check out the skate shoes. Yeah, I love them. Let me know, black soles or white soles, in the comments down below. And we also have low tops as well, but those are still in Las Vegas. So we'll see you guys in the next one. If you guys haven't yet, check out my footwear company at offaccessathletics.com. Use the discount code OFFACCESSTANNER for 30% off. And if you want to be a delivery driver or a DoorDasher, hit that affiliate link down below. Thank you guys. Peace.